and it's going to be 4 or 5 minutes long. So I've made 9,000 on Upwork, and hopefully you enjoy and understand. Please like and subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome to my blog. So guys, in this I will tell you how to make the uh, pose, Upwork project approval. So these are the approved projects right now. These are called catalogs. This is one for YouTube, this is for website, and this for SEO, and then for post. So this is the latest one. So let's see. I've written here. First of all, making this, you have to go on create a project, and then there will be a number of things which you have to mention here. So guys, here first you have to mention the title. So this is the title which I've kept. Then you have to mention these things, how many hours, etc. Delivery time, days, target, or duration, keyword research. This is all what we have to do. So 35 days delivery time I've taken for this. So project details with strong background in SEO marketing. I help this business. I created 20,000 views and 3,200 subscribers. Then industry, etc. These things you have to choose. Then you have to write the pricing. I've chosen one only. Otherwise, there are three options of pricing here. Three different, which you have to type again and again and again. So I've chosen one for $350. And then these purchase requirements, delivery starts. So this is what I will do. That watch time and 18,000 views. So this is how it is, guys. After that, when it is approved, you will get a notification here. It has been approved. Uh, Here's the notification. It will come to your email as well. Congratulations, your project for this has been approved. Guys, thanks and keep watching and please subscribe. Cheers.